Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep channel. My name is Pawan and I am the product manager for the Lawprep in Abhyaas. Today I am going to discuss with you about the vacant seats information in the NLUs. Vacant seats, generally each and every NLU will paste it through a notification in their own website. So it is a tedious process to check each and every NLU for their vacant seats update. So as a team we curated entire NLUs into our web page. Okay, I will send you the link in the description also. If you can see here, we updated all the NLU details and the notifications regarding to that. Okay, you can check our Hyderabad video also, and as of now I am discussing about Aurangabad. So here if you can see here, there is click here for notification and also application link. Okay, you can directly click here for the notification of that NLU. Okay, so if you see here, after clicking on that one, the notification for the Aurangabad is opened. So here if you can see the notification of vacant seats, they have given for UG and also PG. uh, it invites applications for the eligible candidates who appeared in Clat 2022, okay, against the list of vacant seats through online mode. Okay, and they have given the list category wise, and list of vacant seats in BA LLB are only one, and list of vacant seats for BBA LLB are 33. Okay, 33 seats have been given for BBA and LLB. Next LLM is 23. Now as of now we are only discussing about BA LLB and BBA LLB. Total how many seats are there? 1 plus 33. Accordingly category wise their description or the breakup is given here. So this is about the list of vacant seats. Next, coming to criteria for registration. Okay, those who have attempted Clat conducted by the national law universities can only register for the provisional admission. Okay, those only can register for the admission into the NLU. Okay, next, candidates should make an application, that is registration, only in the given form, Google form. Okay, any other format is not entertained. So here is the Google form link. Okay, if you click on that one, there is a form open. Okay, so we'll go into that in the next steps. So this is the link, Google form link. Next, email ID for registration. Candidates hereby use it to inform your personal email ID, because all the communication is done only through that email ID. So it is important to give the genuine email ID, don't fake it. Next, registration fee. Registration fee of 1000 is to be paid for the general and other categories, and 500 should be paid for the SC and ST category through the given link. Okay, so what all are there here? One is registration form and the payment link. Candidates have to attach a receipt of payment of registration fee in the Google form mentioned above. So first you have to do the payment thing, and then you have to apply in the registration form, attaching the document or the transaction receipt which you get after doing the payment in the Google form. Next, horizontal reservations for the candidates belong to women, children on defense service personnel, and special able persons, also person with disability, shall be followed according to the rules in the force of state of Maharashtra. Once go through the horizontal reservation conditions for the state of Maharashtra and then check them and accordingly proceed depending upon your category. Next, submission of documents. Application form must be uploaded or attached with relevant copies of all documents mentioned in the list of documents provided in the website. Okay, if you check here in the website, if you check here in the website, in the admissions tab, okay, he has given here admissions tab. So here if you click on this one, you will go into a tab of MNLU Aurangabad, and here you can check that there are two tabs which shows us list of documents UG BBA LLB and also list of documents UG BA LLB. Okay, two of them, you can see both of them. You can click there and check all the documents required for applying in the application form. 10th 12th character certificate, conduct certificate, TC, cash certificate and PWD certificate, domicile certificate, admit card of Clat 2022, scorecard of Clat 2022, any other supporting documents to claim the other categories required. Okay, next note is for the following candidates belonging to OBC, okay, ABCD, non-creamy layer certificate is compulsory, and for this SC, ST and OBC, caste validity certificate is compulsory. So these are the documents to be uploaded along with the application form. Next, after submission of documents, selection of candidates. Selection is done against the vacant seats based on the Clat ranking. Okay, candidates will be considered for admission against reserved candidates, reserved categories if they have applied for the same in the Clat application form. You are considered as a reserved category and you apply in your application form that you have some reservation, or else you are under the non-reserved category. Next, deadline for registration. The last date for the submission of registration shall be on Monday, July 25, 2022. When will be the displaying of the selected candidates? On July 26, 2022. Okay. Next, payment of admission fee. The payment, selected candidates should pay the admission fee the university as per the details given in the website of the university. Go through that once. After publication, the list of selected candidates shall have to deposit the fee of university and send the receipt to you have to mail it to admission2022@mnlua.ac.in, and this ID also, both of them, and in CC mark FAO@mnlua.ac.in. So you have to send your email to 3 of these people. Okay, first 2 and then CC the third one. Next, right to fill the vacant seats. University shall have the right to fill any additional vacancy, if any, that may arise in future. And in most of the cases, they will again consider the application forms which you have sent already through the Google form in a merit wise if there are any other vacancies. Next, contact details. Candidates who have any other queries, they can contact through in the website as helpdesk contact persons. Okay, this is about the notification. If you see here, first you have to pay the fee. Click on that one. There is a form. Click your name, mobile number, alternate mobile number, gender, date of birth, email ID, course which you are choosing, and domicile. If you have Maharashtra domicile, then click on Maharashtra. As I have said earlier, that check the domicile rules for the Maharashtra region. Next, Clat roll number, score and rank, category, and fees. Okay, fees, why they are giving option means if you have 2 of them, 1000 and 500. So next, click on this one and click on submit. Okay, after that the payment gateway will be opened and you can pay the fee there, and note down the transaction receipt. Okay, note down the transaction receipt number. And next, after doing that, go into this form. Okay, this one we will attach form, payment link, NLU website link, everything in the description, and also our page where you can directly go to the website. So here you will press the email. Next, it will ask you applicant's name, gender, date of birth, domicile, mobile number, alternate mobile number, address, and next. In the next page, they will ask you about the document details. You will upload the documents and also the transaction receipt. After completion of the registration form, what you have to do, as I have already said earlier, after completion of the registration form, you will be, after completion of registration form, you will be getting the merit list on what date? July 26, 2022 by 10 PM. Then after, if your name is there in the selected candidates, then candidates shall have to deposit the college fees. This is college fees, that is the payment fees for the application. So you have to pay the admission fees and send the receipt of admission fees to these IDs. Okay, then your seat will be confirmed through email. So this is the process for applying for the vacant seats for MNLU Aurangabad. As I have seen here, list of vacant seats for BBA LB are in huge number. So try to use this opportunity and get into a good college. And I wish you all the best for your NLU counseling. So thank you. Please like, subscribe and share this one, and also bookmark our page. Okay, so I will stop it here and I will be back again with the next NLU.